How's it, people? It's Saturday the 4th of May and it's set to be a beautiful sunshiny day. Okay, so it's a bit misty at the moment. Trying to be an optimist. Back at the barn. It has been a whole month since I bought it and I've achieved absolutely naffle. It's got to be the slowest progress I've ever had on any project, but there's been a lot of stuff going on in the background. Odd Head House and the old chicken house went up for sale yesterday, which I'm not particularly happy about, but it's a reaction to everything that's going on, so sometimes we have to make these decisions. Coming in here today, gonna try, we've got a digger coming in. Cousin Will's got a digger, which is good news. I love driving diggers, which is also good news. It's very unlikely Will's gonna let me drive his digger, which is not so good news, but there we go. There's a load of banks around there. Going to clear all this lot up, clear a bit of the stuff out of the barn. Let's see if I can walk backwards here. There's bits of old fence, bits of metal, bits of wood, bits of all sorts. Clear this lot right back. All this side area, that can go back. It's me trying to walk backwards and hold a camera, which is interesting. Nettles, stuff. Ow. Stingy nettles, that's why they're called stingy nettles. Then at the back here, I've got a load of brambles. I've got flail attachments, so through it all this lot, clear all this lot down, and look at that, beautiful. Get all this lot down, and just get a good clean up, which is all good stuff, good news. Be nice to get a fresh canvas, everything looking neat and tidy, which will be good. It's still Saturday, it's just gone 6 p.m. and I think between the two of us we've done all right. Sorted out all the front, all the hedge. This bit is bonkers. Amount of tyres, I'll show you the tyre pile in a minute. So this bit here is just, I knew it was going to look bigger, but it's just mental. Got to stone all this up, get some hard stand in, get my caravan here, boom. Shed is just mental amount better. Then down the side here again, just looks at, there was about half that concrete was on show earlier. The whole site just looks absolutely massive. The amount that came out here, I think it was 10 loads, probably 15 ton, probably about 150 ton we've moved from there. Down side, just a bit of a little tidy up, nothing too drastic. Then just tied up all hedges and stuff is a good job jobbed. Got a modest little bonfire. All on the back here, like got all there's like hedges and all sorts growing through there. We had fences all through the bottom. If anyone's in the market for second-hand used tyres, I have a selection of sizes, very good price. I can't guarantee roadworthiness, but the price makes up for it. Some stage I've got to grade through all this lot. Like I said, probably about 150 tons there. There's hardcore stone and all sorts in it. And I think that's about it for the day. I've won, I'm sweating like a marine on a spelling test, and good fun. Anyway, see you next time we get something done. Have fun. Cheers, bye.